Could this little kit be the key to unlocking the full potential of the Raspberry Pi 5? We're diving into the iRasptek starter kit for the Raspberry Pi 5, and it's packed with everything you need to get going. This isn't just a Pi 5, it's a complete package designed to elevate your experience. First off, you get the Raspberry Pi 5 itself, boasting a whopping 16 GB of RAM. That's paired with a generous 256 GB of storage, preloaded with the 64-bit Raspberry Pi OS. Forget the hassle of initial setup, just plug and play. The OS is optimized for the Pi 5, promising a smooth desktop experience whether you're working, playing, or tinkering with enterprise applications. Powering this beast is the iRasptek 27W USB-C power supply. It's not just any power adapter. It's built with multiple protections to ensure a stable and durable power source for your Pi 5. The high-quality cable is designed to handle the demands of power-hungry peripherals, connected to the 4 USB Type-A ports. The kit also includes a high-quality metal case made from aluminum alloy. It feels incredibly sturdy and provides excellent protection against shocks and vibrations. The case even has a transparent power button, so you can easily see the status of the Pi 5's power indicator. It's a thoughtful touch that adds to the overall premium feel. To keep things cool, there's the iRasptek Active Cooler. This cooler features an anodized heat-conducting aluminum heatsink and a PWM fan. It efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring the Pi 5 maintains a stable operating temperature even under heavy loads. The Raspberry Pi 5 itself is a significant upgrade over its predecessor. The 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 processor running at 2.4 GHz delivers a noticeable performance boost. We're talking a 2-3x increase in CPU performance compared to the Pi 4. The 800 MHz VideoCore VII GPU provides a substantial uplift in graphics performance, making it capable of handling dual 4K P60 display output. The rear-chadicted Raspberry Pi image signal processor also brings state-of-the-art camera support. This kit really does offer a seamless and powerful Raspberry Pi experience. The preloaded OS, robust power supply, protective case, and active cooler all contribute to a hassle-free and high-performing setup. If you're looking to get the most out of your Raspberry Pi 5, the iRasptek starter kit is definitely worth considering. It's a well-thought-out package that delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.